Hello, if you want to create a home screen folder on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, then first of all you need to press and hold your finger on the first app that you want to have in a folder, and then drag it towards another app and then release it over here. You will immediately create a folder. You can tap over here on folder name in order to set the name for the folder. You can also tap on this circle over here in order to select a color. Let's say I'm gonna choose blue. Then you can also press this plus button in order to select more apps that you want to add to the folder. In addition to that, you can also drag and drop into the folder as well. So you can press and hold your finger on another app that you want to add to the folder, move it to the folder, and there we go. We can add it over here. And if you want to take apps out of the folder, you can once again press and hold our finger on the app and then drag it outside the folder, and then you can drop it somewhere in the home screen. If you remove every app from the folder, then the folder will be deleted. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!